Welcome to the world inside the painting. Scenic, isn't it?
What's the big idea?
Hold on to your socks. I'm about to show you a little something. Ta-da-da! One stroke, you can change the painting to reflect whatever your little heart desires.
We got a brush, big deal.
Why don't you just sit back and watch this bad boy in action? Do your thing, brush.
Hello everyone! Today I made a ZHA edit. As you can see, here's a bit of background on the project due to time constraints. What you're seeing here represents about 30% of the overall editing process. Hope you find it interesting.